Hi. Hello everyone. First of all, introduce myself. My name is Rahul Patel, and today's video topic name is difference between constructor and methods. And today's date is 4 August 2022. And first, we will about to discuss about the methods. Method is a set of instruction that can perform a specific task. And the four types of methods. Methods: argument with return type, no argument with return type, no return type with argument, and no argument with argument with return type. The methods can return a particular value, and methods can return particular value, and we can discuss about the method overloading. Method overloading Method overloading is a it can be perform methods to another methods, and this can use to different parameters and data types. We can constructor they can one constructor they in one function one function the definition of they can method overloading. In the method they can allocated with different parameters and data type. And the method chaining the main methods calls object in one method. One method can creating another methods in under the main methods. We can discuss about the constructor. Constructor is a initialized to variables, objects and class. And the constructor non no returns constructor can no returns any particular task and value. And the constructor we can discuss about the constructor chaining constructor methods. constructor methods the constructors methods are types of constructor is parameters and non-parameter. And constructor method we can constructor the same types of constructor. They can create they can call the main method where can create a one object. The every constructor they can create separate objects. And we can discuss about the constructor chaining. constructor chaining The constructor chaining is a specific task to perform this keyword. And this keyword can use to constructors names. And but this keyword not used to this constructor name. They can JVM can call this is method. They can use for the keyword. And this keyword is used to three ways: instance variable, constructor, and methods and constructor chaining refers to ability to call another constructor. And constructor we can use constructor either same class. And another one used to constructor another one is to constructor chaining constructor to avoid duplicate code while multiple constructors. And that's from all my side. Thank you.